So here I go. I'm going to attempt this adele. I don't know how good I really sound on video. I think I sound okay. I don't know. I think I sound like a man on the phone, so I might sound better than what I think. I don't know. Feedback is always welcomed. Please. Please. Alright, so I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say, they were never true in the games you play. You would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched her face. When it burned, well, I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. When I lay with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing gets better. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you'd say, they were never true in the games you play. You would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. When it burned, well, I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. When it fell, something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Sometimes I wake up out of the door. The heart you call must be waiting for you. Even now, when we're already over, I can't help myself, I'm looking for you. I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched her face. When it burned, well, I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. When it fell, something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Oh no, let it burn. Oh, let it burn. Let it burn.